Samsung Galaxy M10, a entry-level king from Samsung, has the worst processor but other interesting stuffs which could attract youngsters. Looks good, right? But what about its build quality? Let's find out. We checked out Samsung Galaxy M20 in our last video, so if you want to check it out, please check my channel. Thank you. At front we have 6.22-inch Full HD display with Infinity V display on top of it, which is covered by dragon tail glass. Plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at level 6 and sapphire at level 8 or 9. We can see scratches at level 6 and more in level 7, so no need to worry about any day-to-day scratches. The entire front is covered with glass, so no way of scratching it. Including the 5 megapixel front camera, ridiculous, yes, 5 megapixel front camera, which is also protected by the same glass. The earpiece is protected by plastic. Looks good. At back we have the same back cover but slightly less quality than what we saw in M20, which is also made up of plastic. The 13 megapixel rear camera is covered with glass, so no way of scratching it. The flash is covered with plastic. Also, you can see the speaker grill at back rather than at bottom like what we saw in M20. To the left we have volume rockers and power button, which is made up of plastic. At top we have microphone. At bottom we have Type A port and headphone jack. Samsung Galaxy M10 survived around 10 seconds when in direct contact with the flame, but soon recovered after heat dissipation. There were no blue or burn marks left behind. Expect one if you are having an AMOLED display. Can M10 survive a 2-minute water test? M10 has the speaker grill at back rather than at the bottom like what we saw in M20. Let's find out. Yes, it survives everything and works perfectly without any problem. Even the speaker working good after the water test. Samsung Galaxy M10 is made up of plastic all over. Plastic built phones are the king of smartphones and the king of bend test too. Let's find out whether it survives the bend test. We can see the flecks on the entire phone, but there were no damages to display. The phone survives our bend test. It's really surprising to see M10 survive the bend test and M20 doesn't. What's happening, Samsung? What's happening? This is the part you have been waiting for, right? Now let's drop the phone vertically. No problem or scratches to the phone's display or back cover. Now let's drop the phone sideways. Still no damages or scratches to the display or the back cover. Now let's drop the phone's rear case facing downwards. You can see the slight crack in glass all the way from the teardrop notch to the bottom. Now let's do the drop of dead. The phone doesn't survive drop of dead. Don't worry, this is normal and a practical test and almost doesn't happen in day-to-day usage. So should you buy this phone? I could give a thumbs up if you are not a power user and wants a good looking phone. This could have easily been a best built phone in 2019 if it could have survived the drop test. Thumbs up for making such a good phone, Samsung. Please check out your M20, which is not even close to the build quality of M10. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Durabilitymark if you found this video useful. See you in my next video. Peace.
body's high.